Imagine you have $40 in your pocket.
Okay.
You are standing in a store. You see a beautiful blue jacket. You really, really want it. It is your favorite color.
Oh, that is a great feeling.
Right. But right next to it, there is a simple black jacket. The black jacket is only $30.
Ah, I see.
So which one do you buy? Do you choose the color you love? Or do you protect the money in your wallet?
Well, that is a very difficult choice. I mean, it is a choice adults make every single day.
Yes, they do.
We constantly fight a battle between, our desires and our budgets.
Welcome to today's deep dive. Today we are exploring the science and the emotion of shopping. Shopping is an everyday activity. You buy food for your kitchen, you buy clothes for your body.
Exactly.
But shopping is not just about spending money. It is about psychology. It is about how our brains make decisions.
That is exactly right. Shopping shows us how we think. It shows us what we value. And, well, it shows us how we find happiness in small things.
The mission of this deep dive is to explore a simple story. We're going to follow a person named Anna.
Anna.
Got it. We will watch her go to the store. We will look at the choices she makes. And we will learn what her trip teaches us about comfort, about human behavior, and about joy.
For you, our listener, this is a special deep dive. We are going to take our time. We will speak slowly.
Yes, very slowly.
We will use clear, simple words. We want you to relax, listen to our voices, think about the ideas, and practice your English with us.
Okay, let's unpack this. Anna has a problem. Her old winter jacket is broken.
Oh, no.
Yeah, and it is also too small. The winter is coming, and the air is getting cold. So she decides she must go shopping.
Right.
This is a very important detail. She does not just want a jacket for fun. She needs a jacket to survive the cold.
This is the difference between a want and a need.
A want and a need.
Yes, a want is something for pleasure. A need is something for survival. Anna needs to protect her body from the cold weather. That is her primary goal today.
Before we walk into the store with Anna, let us practice some English together. We will give you a chance to speak.
That is a great idea.
Listen carefully to these short sentences. I will say them slowly. Please repeat after me.
Take a deep breath and practice your speaking.
Anna goes shopping.
Anna goes shopping.
She looks at a jacket.
She looks at a jacket.
You are doing a wonderful job. Now, let us continue with the story. Anna walks into a large clothing store. The lights are very bright.
They usually are.
Right. There is soft music playing. Stores are designed to make you feel awake and excited.
Yeah.
And on the wall, there are hundreds of jackets.
Hundreds? That is a lot. The store gives the customer many choices. Choice is good, but too much choice can be confusing for the brain.
It really can. Anna sees three main colors. There are red jackets,
Yeah.
there are blue jackets,
Yeah.
and there are black jackets.
Okay.
Now, Anna loves the color blue. Blue makes her feel happy. So she walks straight to the blue jacket. She touches the fabric. It looks amazing.
Her brain is reacting to visual pleasure. She sees her favorite color, and her mind says, I want that.
She asks the shop assistant a very important question. She says, "Excuse me, how much is this jacket?"
The big question.
Yes. The shop assistant smiles. The assistant says, "This jacket is $40.
$40. That is a specific number. Now the rational part of her brain must wake up.
Anna thinks about that number, $40. She decides that $40 is, well, a little bit expensive for her.
Right, she has a budget. A budget is a plan for your money.
Exactly. So she steps away from the beautiful blue jacket. She looks at the black jacket instead. The black jacket is very simple. It is not exciting. But she asks the price anyway.
And what is the price?
The shop assistant says, "This one is $30.
$30.
Now, she has a real dilemma, but I want to challenge this idea for a moment. Choosing clothes is like choosing a car, right?
Oh, how so?
Well, sometimes we want the bright, shiny blue car. It looks amazing on the road. People look at it.
True.
But the simple, practical black car makes more sense for our wallet. The black car is cheaper to buy and cheaper to fix.
That is a very clear comparison. The blue car is for the ego. The black car is for practical life.
But here's my question. Is $30 really that much better than $40? It is only a $10 difference.
$10, yes.
$10 is not a huge amount of money.
Right.
If she buys the black jacket, she loses her favorite color. Is it worth losing her favorite color just to save 10 small dollars?
What's fascinating here is Anna's practical thinking. You are right, $10 might seem small, but Anna is carefully balancing her desires with her budget. Let us think about financial stress.
A financial stress is that heavy feeling in your stomach when you spend too much money.
Yes. When people ignore their budget, they often feel bad later. They go home, look in their wallet, and feel regret. We call this buyer's regret.
Buyer's regret. That is a terrible feeling.
It is. Anna wants to avoid that bad feeling. The black jacket is not just cheaper, it represents peace of mind.
So her mind wants the blue jacket, but her budget demands the black jacket.
Yeah,
She's choosing peace of mind over a temporary visual thrill.
exactly. And she notices something else about the black jacket. It is not just about the money.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she looks closely at the black jacket. It looks very thick. It looks very soft. She realizes it looks comfortable. She needs to be comfortable in the cold winter.
She is remembering her main goal. Her goal is not to be a fashion model. Her goal is to stay warm.
Practical choices often lead to a much happier life. If you buy the practical thing, it does its job every single day.
That makes sense.
Anna saves $10 and she protects her budget. She feels smart. Feeling smart is a very good emotion.
That makes perfect sense. She is using her adult brain. Before we see what happens next, let us practice our listening and speaking again. Let us practice talking about prices. Listen to these sentences. Please repeat after me.
The blue jacket is $40.
The blue jacket is $40.
The black jacket is $30.
The black jacket is $30.
Excellent work. Keep using your voice.
So Anna is holding the black jacket. She likes the price of $30. Her brain is happy with the math.
The math is good.
But a good price is not enough. A jacket must actually do its job. We must move from looking at the jacket to testing the jacket. A piece of clothing can look very nice on a hanger, but it might feel terrible on your body.
The physical test is the most important part of shopping for clothes.
Anna decides she must try the black jacket on. She takes it from the wall. She walks over to a large mirror. She puts her arms into the sleeves. She pulls the zipper up to her neck.
This is the moment of truth. If the jacket feels cheap or thin or tight, the $30 price does not matter anymore.
Right.
She will not buy it.
But it does not feel cheap.
Oh.
Anna looks in the mirror. She feels the inside of the jacket against her skin. It feels incredibly warm.
Oh, good.
It feels soft and comfortable. She moves her arms. It is not too tight. It fits her body perfectly.
Her sensory experience is positive. The sense of touch is sending good signals to her brain.
The shop assistant is standing nearby. The assistant is watching Anna look in the mirror. The assistant asks a simple, polite question. Do you like it?
The assistant wants to know if the physical test was successful.
Anna looks at her reflection. She smiles. She realizes it fits very well. She answers clearly, yes, I like it very much.
That is a clear answer.
The shop assistant then asks the final question. Would you like to buy it?
Now Anna must make her final decision. She must agree to spend her money.
Anna thinks about the price one more time. $30. She thinks about the warmth. The warmth is excellent. She thinks about the color. It is black, not blue, but it still looks very nice.
Yes.
She says, yes, I will take it. She walks to the cash register. She gives the assistant her money. She says thank you, and she leaves the store. She feels very happy.
She completed her mission successfully.
Here's where it gets really interesting. I want to talk about function over fashion.
Okay.
Function is what the jacket does. Fashion is how the jacket looks to other people.
That is a very important distinction. Function is practical. Fashion is visual.
The black jacket was a compromise. It was her backup choice. Her heart originally wanted the blue one. But when she actually put the black jacket on her body, the physical feeling of warmth completely changed her mind.
It did.
The warmth became more important than the color. The sensory comfort actually created happiness.
It is true. When our bodies are comfortable, our minds relax.
And I also want to point out her communication. Her conversation with the shop assistant was perfect. It was polite, simple, and effective.
Yes, very polite.
She did not use complicated words. She asked the price. She tried the jacket on. She gave a clear answer. She said, thank you. This is exactly how we should all communicate in a store.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, this interaction shows us something profound about value. True value is never just about the price tag.
You mean it is not just about the numbers?
Correct. True value is not just the $30. True value is about how an item serves your life. Does it solve your problem?
Ah, I see.
This black jacket solves Anna's problem perfectly. It protects her from the winter. It fits her body. By doing its job perfectly, it turns a compromise into a total victory. She does not feel sad about missing the blue jacket anymore.
She traded a visual desire for physical comfort and financial safety. That is the definition of a mature decision.
Yes, she used her money very wisely.
Let us pause here. Let us practice some of these polite, useful shopping phrases. Imagine you are standing in the store next to Anna. You are talking to the shop assistant. Please listen and repeat the sentences.
I like this jacket.
I like this jacket.
How much is this?
How much is this?
I will take it.
I will take it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was wonderful. You can use these exact sentences anywhere in the world.
Now let us return to Anna. She is walking out of the clothing store. She has her necessary item in a bag. She has a warm, practical black jacket.
Success.
Yes, her main problem is solved. Her mind is at peace. But her shopping journey is not quite over yet.
The brain is an interesting thing. Once the primary survival need is met, the brain often looks for a little bit of extra pleasure.
We're going to transition now from practical needs to unexpected joy. After buying the heavy winter jacket, Anna remembers one more thing on her list. She needs new socks.
Socks are also a practical item. We wear them every day.
True. But this time, the energy of the story changes. Anna walks into a different kind of store. This is not a big, serious clothing store. This is a small shop.
Okay, a small shop.
It sells colorful hats. It sells soft scarves. It sells many small, fun accessories. Anne is walking down the aisle, just looking around. Suddenly, she stops. She finds a pair of socks.
Let me guess. Because she bought a very practical black jacket, she probably buys very practical black socks to match?
No, not at all. These socks are yellow. They're very, very bright yellow. And they have funny little pictures on them.
Oh, wow.
When Anna sees them, she does not think about survival. She just laughs. She thinks these socks are absolutely funny.
They immediately make her smile. They change her mood.
She picks up the bright yellow socks. She walks over to the cashier. She asks, how much are these socks? The cashier looks at the tag and says, they are $5.
$5. That is a very small amount of money compared to the jacket.
Because it is very cheap and because they make her laugh, Anna does not hesitate. She does not worry about her budget this time. She just smiles and says, I will buy them.
Nice.
She pays the $5. Now, her shopping day is completely finished. She has a serious new jacket, and she has funny yellow socks.
That is a highly successful trip to the store.
It really is. I want to use an analogy to explain why this happened. Let us compare her shopping trip to a large meal. Think about eating dinner at a restaurant.
Okay, a dinner has different parts.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The warm $30 black jacket is like the healthy main course of the meal. It is like the meat and the vegetables.
Right.
You need the main course to survive. It gives you energy. It makes you strong. You spend most of your money on the main course.
The main course is for the health of the body. So what are the yellow socks?
The $5 funny yellow socks are the sweet dessert at the end of the meal. They're a small bowl of ice cream. You do not need ice cream to survive.
No, you do not.
Your body does not require sugar to live. But a small bowl of ice cream brings a huge smile to your face. It makes the whole meal feel special.
This raises an important question. Why do small, silly things like bright yellow socks bring humans so much joy? Why do we care about $5 items?
I think it is because the black jacket represents rules. The jacket is about being a responsible adult. But the yellow socks represent freedom. They represent play.
That is a brilliant way to look at it. It is all about psychological balance. We spend our big money on practical things.
Yes, we do.
We spend $30 to survive the cold winter. We use logic and reason for that choice. But humans are not robots. We cannot only be logical all the time.
We need to express our personality.
Exactly. We spend small amounts of money, like $5, to show the world who we are inside. We use small treats to prevent budget fatigue.
Budget fatigue.
If you only ever buy boring, practical things, you become sad. Buying the cheap, funny socks gives the brain a quick reward. It feeds the spirit.
The black jacket protects her body from the outside world, but the bright yellow socks protect her happiness on the inside. Many adults wear serious suits to the office, but they wear funny socks hidden inside their shoes. It is a little secret joy. I love that.
The mind needs surprises just as much as the body needs warmth.
Let us practice speaking one last time today. Listen to these short, satisfying sentences about the fun yellow socks. Please repeat after me.
They are $5.
They are $5.
That is very cheap.
That is very cheap.
You did a fantastic job practicing your English today. Your pronunciation is getting better and better.
So we have followed Anna on her everyday journey. We started with a problem, a broken jacket in cold weather. We saw her walk into the bright store faced with many choices.
Right.
We saw her look at the expensive blue jacket and feel desire.
Then we watched her use her rational brain. She chose the practical $30 black jacket to protect her budget and avoid financial stress.
We saw her test the jacket in the mirror. We learned that physical comfort can easily override visual fashion. A warm jacket makes a happy customer.
And finally, we saw her reward herself. We saw her find a small, cheap surprise, the funny, bright yellow socks for $5. She balanced her need for survival with her need for a smile.
So what does this all mean? It means that a good life, just like a good shopping trip, is all about balance. You must be responsible with the big things. You must protect your wallet and make smart choices. But you must also allow yourself to have a little bit of fun.
You really must.
You must buy the dessert sometimes.
It is about finding true value in comfort and finding pure joy in the small, colorful details of daily life.
As we finish our deep dive today, we want to leave you with something personal to think about. We want you to apply this lesson to your own life.
Think about your own bedroom closet at home. Open the doors in your mind and look inside. Look at all your clothes. What is the one item you bought because it was perfectly practical?
Think about it.
Maybe it is a heavy black coat. Maybe it is a pair of strong, waterproof winter shoes.
Now look again. What is the one item you bought just because it made you laugh? Maybe it is a funny hat with a strange word on it. Maybe it is a bright orange shirt. Maybe it is your own pair of silly socks.
Ask yourself this question. Which item makes you happier when you wear it? Do you feel better in the practical choice that protects you or the funny surprise that expresses your personality?
The answer might surprise you. Remember the journey we take every week when we go to the store. Sometimes it is about the destination, getting exactly the serious thing we need to survive. But often, the very best part of the journey is the funny, yellow, $5 surprise we find along the way.
Well said.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. Keep listening carefully, keep learning new ideas, and keep speaking English with confidence. We will see you next time.